Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason, and in this video I'll be showing you how to change Discord notification sounds on Android. First, you're going to need to go into settings. Once in settings, you're going to scroll down and you're going to select apps. After you have selected apps, you're going to tap on the search icon in the top right hand corner and you're going to search for Discord. You can see it right here. Then you're going to tap on the app. Then you're going to select notifications. After you have selected notifications, you're going to tap on call. Then you're going to select sound. And from here, you can select the sound that you would like to use, the notification. And after you have selected one, you can go back. And then you can also select one for direct messages. And again, you'll tap on sound. And from here, you can select the one that you would like to use. And that's how to change notification on Discord on your Android phone. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you for watching.